Hey, it's Brent with Lawhon Home Team and PRB.
And I'm Jennifer, and welcome to Winter Park, Florida.
That's right, just 15 minutes away from downtown Orlando, Winter Park has a rich history.
There's plenty of shopping and dining, fun for the whole family, but it's also a great place for a romantic night out.
That's right, you can catch the train or even walk in the flower garden.
So come join us on this tour. Winter Park is a suburb of Orlando and has a population of just over 30,000. Winter Park has been voted as one of the best places to live in Orange County.
Central Park is in the heart of downtown Winter Park and hosts several events throughout the year. Here you can check out the spectacular Rose Garden.
Park Avenue is a well-known destination in Winter Park, where you will find upscale boutiques and shopping, along with fine dining and sidewalk cafes.
A popular store for our family is Rocket Fizz. The Rocket Fizz soda pop and candy shop will satisfy all of your candy cravings. Here you will find thousands of bottled soda pops and candies from all over the world.
Welcome to Meade Gardens. This is a 48-acre oasis in the heart of Orange County, right here in Winter Park.
Yes, Meade Botanical Gardens hosts a variety of events like weddings, homeschool groups, and horticulture classes.
So come join us on this tour. Meade Botanical Garden is a beautiful garden located right in Winter Park. There are plenty of walking and hiking paths, a boardwalk, butterfly garden, and beautiful flowers throughout. It is free to the public, and there's even paved bike trails. There are always activities here at Meade Gardens, including summer camps. You can always check out their website to see what the current activities are planned. You can also have weddings and events sponsored at the garden. At Meade Gardens, you will also find an amphitheater where plenty of events take place throughout the year. It's also the perfect setting for a wedding and can hold over 300 people.
Looking for something fun and unique? Try the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. Winter Park Farmers Market is held at Central Park West Meadow every Saturday from 8 to 1. This farmers market is the #1 produce and plant market in Central Florida. You can buy some gourmet cheese. Lots of plants for your yard. And delicious keto and vegan desserts. You definitely want to check out King Harvey's Imperial Coffee. You can even meet the king.
If you'd like to learn more about the Orlando area, feel free to download our Orlando Relocation Guide. And if you have any real estate questions, please feel free to call us at the above number. And if you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel.